Hi guys, from surfing to skydiving, shooting adventurous video requires the best action camera. From affordable models to premium options, we've extensively tested all of the top action cameras and ranked our recommendations in the expert guide below. Whatever you plan to shoot, we've put together this comprehensive list to help you find the right action camera for your needs and budget. So, let's get started. Number 5, CERASTES Action Cameras. This action cameras is here with the 61% price off. Now you can get it at around $45. With its unparalleled video quality, dual screens, advanced stabilization technology, waterproof design, and convenient remote control, the CERASTES Action Camera is the ultimate tool for capturing your outdoor adventures. Whether you're shredding down mountain trails, carving through waves, or exploring remote landscapes, this camera ensures that every moment is captured in stunning detail. Let's explore what sets this camera apart and how it can enhance your outdoor filming experience. Unrivaled video quality. The CERASTES Action Camera raises the bar for video quality with its impressive 5K resolution and smooth 4K 60 FPS recording capability. Whether you're hurtling down mountain trails on a mountain bike, carving through waves on a surfboard, or scaling rocky cliffs, this camera ensures that every detail of your adventure is captured in breathtaking clarity. Dual screens for maximum versatility. Equipped with dual screens, the CERASTES Action Camera offers unparalleled versatility for framing shots and reviewing footage on the fly. The front-facing screen allows you to frame perfect selfies and vlogs, while the larger rear screen provides easy access to settings, playback, and editing options. Advanced anti-shake technology. Shaky footage can ruin an otherwise epic adventure video, but with the CERASTES Action Camera's advanced anti-shake technology, blurriness is a thing of the past. Whether you're biking over rough terrain, skiing down steep slopes, or skydiving through the clouds, this camera's stabilization system keeps your footage smooth and steady. Waterproof and durable design. With a waterproof housing that can withstand depths of up to 30 meters, this camera is perfect for capturing underwater adventures like snorkeling, scuba diving, and swimming. The next is Number 4, VIRAN 4K 60 FPS Wi-Fi Anti-Shake Action Cameras. This action cameras is here with the 61% price off. Now you can get it at around $64. The VIRAN V9 4K 60 FPS Wi-Fi Anti-Shake Action Camera is a powerful and versatile tool that is sure to enhance your outdoor adventures. With its immersive video resolution, built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, advanced anti-shake stabilization, waterproof design, and intuitive remote control and screen, this action camera offers everything you need to capture and share your most epic moments with friends, family, and followers. Whether you're skiing, surfing, hiking, or diving, the VIRAN V9 ensures that you can capture every moment with confidence and clarity, allowing you to relive your adventures for years to come. Let's dive into the features and benefits of this innovative action camera and how it can elevate your filming experience. Immersive 4K 60 FPS video resolution. Experience your adventures in breathtaking detail with the VIRAN V9's stunning 4K 60 FPS video resolution. Whether you're skiing down mountains, surfing waves, or exploring rugged terrain, this action camera captures every moment with clarity and precision. With 4 times the resolution of Full HD, your footage will come to life with vibrant colors, crisp details, and smooth motion, allowing you to relive your adventures with unparalleled clarity. Built-in Wi-Fi connectivity for easy sharing. Stay connected and share your adventures in real time with the VIRAN V9's built-in Wi-Fi connectivity. Simply connect the camera to your smartphone or tablet using the VIRAN app, and you can instantly transfer your footage for editing and sharing on social media. Advanced anti-shake stabilization. Say goodbye to shaky footage with the VIRAN V9's advanced anti-shake stabilization technology. Whether you're biking on rough terrain, running down trails, or participating in extreme sports, this feature ensures that your footage remains smooth and steady, even in the most dynamic environments. The next is Number 3, AXNEN 4K Waterproof Action Cameras. This action cameras is here with the 50% price off. Now you can get it at around $90. In the fast-paced world of action cameras, the AXNEN 4K waterproof action camera stands out as a reliable companion for capturing your most thrilling moments. Packed with features designed to enhance your filming experience, this compact and versatile camera is perfect for adventurers, sports enthusiasts, and content creators alike. From its stunning 4K video resolution to its advanced EIS anti-shake technology, the AXNEN action camera is ready to take your footage to the next level. Let's explore the key features and benefits of this innovative camera and how it can enhance your outdoor adventures. Stunning 4K video resolution. The AXNEN action camera boasts impressive 4K video resolution, allowing you to capture every detail of your adventures in stunning clarity and definition. Whether you're skiing down mountains, surfing waves, or exploring rugged terrain, the camera's high-resolution footage ensures that every moment is captured with cinematic quality. With 4 times the resolution of traditional HD video, your footage will come to life with vibrant colors and crystal-clear detail. Advanced EIS anti-shake technology. Say goodbye to shaky footage with the AXNEN action camera's advanced electronic image stabilization technology. Designed to minimize camera shake and vibrations, EIS ensures smooth and steady footage even in the most dynamic environments. Whether you're biking on rough terrain or skiing down bumpy slopes, EIS helps to keep your footage stable and professional looking, allowing you to focus on the action without worrying about blurry or distorted images. Waterproof design for aquatic adventures. Designed to withstand the elements, the AXNEN action camera is waterproof up to 40 meters, making it ideal for capturing underwater adventures such as snorkeling, diving, and swimming. The next is Number 2, SJCAM SJ20 Dual Cameras, Action Cameras. This action cameras is here with the 20% price off. Now you can get it at around $189. In the world of action cameras, innovation and versatility are key. The SJCAM SJ20 dual-lens 4K action camera emerges as a game-changer in the industry, offering groundbreaking features and capabilities to capture every moment of your adventures in stunning detail. With its dual cameras, waterproof design, 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, and intuitive touchscreen, this action cam is set to redefine the way you capture and share your outdoor experiences. Let's delve into the features and benefits of the SJCAM SJ20 and why it's the ultimate choice for thrill seekers and sports enthusiasts. Dual cameras for comprehensive coverage. The SJCAM SJ20 sets itself apart with its dual lens setup, allowing you to capture your adventures from multiple angles simultaneously. Whether you're skiing down mountains, riding waves, or exploring rugged terrain, the dual cameras ensure comprehensive coverage, capturing both the action in front of you and your reaction to it. High-quality 4K video and imaging. Equipped with advanced sensors and processors, the SJ20 delivers stunning 4K video resolution, ensuring that every detail of your adventures is captured with clarity and precision. Waterproof design for aquatic adventures. Designed to withstand the elements, the SJCAM SJ20 boasts a waterproof construction that allows you to dive into the action without hesitation. With a maximum depth of 40 meters, this action camera is perfect for capturing underwater adventures such as snorkeling, scuba diving, and underwater exploration. 5G Wi-Fi connectivity for seamless sharing. Whether you're on the slopes, on the trail, or in the water, you can instantly transfer your footage to your smartphone or tablet for quick and easy sharing on social media. The next is Number 1, AKASO Brave 8 Waterproof Action Cameras. Now you can get it at around $552. The AKASO Brave 8 Waterproof Action Camera is a versatile and reliable tool that is sure to enhance your videography experience. With its high-quality video and image capture, dual color screens, super smooth stabilization, waterproof design, and versatile applications, this action camera offers everything you need to capture stunning footage of your adventures. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors or documenting everyday moments, the AKASO Brave 8 ensures that you can relive your experiences with clarity and precision for years to come. Let's explore the features and benefits of this versatile action camera and how it can elevate your videography experience. High-quality video and image capture. The AKASO Brave 8 boasts impressive video recording capabilities, allowing you to shoot in stunning 4K resolution at 60 frames per second. This ensures that every detail of your adventures is captured with clarity and precision, whether you're skiing down slopes, surfing waves, or exploring scenic landscapes. Dual color screens for easy navigation. Equipped with dual color screens, the AKASO Brave 8 offers convenient navigation and monitoring of your footage. The front-facing screen provides a live view for capturing selfies and vlogs, while the rear screen allows for easy menu navigation and playback. Super smooth stabilization for steady footage. One of the standout features of the AKASO Brave 8 is its super smooth stabilization technology, which ensures smooth and steady footage even in the most dynamic environments. Waterproof design for underwater adventures. Designed to withstand the elements, the AKASO Brave 8 is waterproof up to 10 meters, making it ideal for underwater adventures and water sports such as snorkeling and diving. So this is the best option for you to buy.